Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, children, in previous class, we are in the fifth lesson, middle of the story. Right, children, what is our fifth lesson title? The Candy Store. Okay, children, let's go with our story continuation. What we are learning, children, in our story is beside a big school, Mr. and Mrs. Patel is having a small candy store. They will sold what they are selling: chocolates, biscuits, cakes, fruit juices, and sandwiches is there. All school children, parents, and even teachers also will come to the shop. They will buy what they want, and what they are doing, those people coming to the candy shop, and they are throwing the wrappers, biscuit covers, bread pieces, and cake pieces all around the shop. They are not keeping the shop clean. Okay, they are throwing everywhere these things. Till there we have learned, children. Right, let's continue. In page number 75, studio. So the Patels had one big problem. Okay, what big problem he got? Yes, the problem he got is the shop will look very dirty and so many mosquitoes will come, and the shop will not be clean. Right, children? The area was very dirty. The garbage attract flies, ants, stray dogs, and mosquitoes. Okay, garbage means what, children? Garbage, G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. Garbage means waste material. Garbage means waste material. These will attract whom? As flies, ants, stray dogs, and mosquitoes. All these will come to the garbage only. Right? All these will come near to the waste, dirty places they will come. So the Patel having a big problem. One day Usha, a teacher from the school, came to the shop. Who came? A teacher from the school. What is her name, children? Usha. Why don't you keep this area clean? She asked. All this garbage will make people ill. Ill means sickness. Okay, that means the teacher is asking to Patel, why you are not keeping this place clean? The people, those who come here, this garbage will make them sick people. Okay, they will get some diseases, and so they will get some health issues like that by coming here. Why can't you keep this place clean? Like that, the Usha is asking to the Patel. Now, what can we do? Asked Mrs. Patel. What Patel is asking? What can we do? What we have to do? We have dustbin, but no one seems to use it. Everyone throws garbage all over the place. Okay, we are having dustbin to throw the garbage, but no one is using that dustbin. They are throwing the garbage all over the places wherever they want. They are just throwing all this, but no one is using the dustbins. Like that, the Patel is telling to the teacher. Now Usha is telling, let us get a bigger dustbin and some colorful boards and posters. I will ask my students to make posters for you. They can convey messages like keep our area clean and soon on. Okay, what the Usha is telling, what the thing we will do is we will bring another dustbin which is bigger than this. Okay, పెద్ద dustbin తీసుకొద్దాం, and I will ask my students to make a పోస్టర్స్, ఓకే, పోస్టర్స్ కొన్ని కలర్ఫుల్గా చేద్దాం అందరికీ కనిపించేలాగా. దెన్ ద పీపుల్ దోస్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ హియర్ దే కెన్ సీ క్లియర్లీ అండ్ దే కెన్ follow these rules. Okay, keep our area clean, like that the posters will be displayed here. I'll ask my students to do, and like that they have to do లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, అది అలా చేస్తూ ఉండాలి, క్లీన్గా ఉంచుతూ ఉండాలి అని పోస్టర్స్ రాయిద్దాము. అలాగే పెద్ద డస్ట్బిన్ కూడా పెడదాము అని ఉషా సజెస్ట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ద ఉషా సేడ్ లైక్ దిస్. నౌ టర్న్ పేజెస్ చిల్డ్రన్. Now, the next day, many school children came to the shop. They put up big colorful posters at the shop. Okay, big colorful posters say keep the store clean. Okay, next day the children from the school came to the shop and they kept the big posters about the cleanliness. They kept, okay, colorful posters. Soon all those who had been throwing rubbish on the ground began throwing it in the big dustbin. See children, big dustbin, they kept throw litter in the dustbins. Okay, whoever they are throwing that side and this side all over the shop. Now from that day onwards, those who are coming, all the garbage they are throwing in a big dustbin. The candy store and the area around it became sparkling. Sparkling means shining. Okay, sparkling, shining, clean, that means very clear and clean. Okay, that means the place is shining. Okay, చాలా శుభ్రంగా ఉందన్నమాట. As everybody helped by throwing garbage in the bin. That means one cannot do, right? Only one person cannot keep the all over the place clean, but all people those who are coming to that shop, they are continuously throwing the waste in the dustbin and they are keeping the place very clean individually. So like that they are doing, that's why the shop and the around place also very clean. In this story, everyone worked together to keep their surroundings tidy and clean, right? Not only one person but everyone worked together and they kept the surroundings clean and tidy. Okay children, you also, wherever you are going, you may go to outside some shops, and at your home also you will eat some chocolates and some snacks you will eat. Where you are throwing children all your wrappers? I know most of you will throw wherever you want. You should not do like that children. You have to keep your surroundings clean and healthy, then only you will be healthy. Because if you are throwing like that their garbage, near the garbage only all these flies, mosquitoes, ants will come. It may harm you, right? So if you are keeping your surroundings clean, nothing will come to near to you and you will be healthy. Okay, and you have to educate the remaining people also. Some people they don't know, some uneducated people will be there. Yes or no? You have to teach them, you have to tell them to how to be clean and how to be healthy. Okay, will you do children that thing? Okay, now our story is completed children. What the thing you have to do is, meanings are there, no? Read those meanings and read this story once again and underline the hard words children. Practice hard word spellings also. Okay, this is about today's English class children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.